Well, good morning. It's Saturday morning here. I'm at my house. I'm doing a special video today. We have a special guest with us. I'm going to introduce you to him later. We have a really special truck to look at too. So let's get to it. All right, so here we are in Winnipeg looking at this beautiful truck here. Like I said, it's a surprise feature. We have Jay in the background here. He's just kind of letting me walk around the truck here. So he's our special guest today. And the special truck that we're looking at is this beautiful 1996 Kenworth W900L with a 60-inch Aerodyne 1 sleeper. Woo-hoo-wee! Look at this. Woo-hoo-wee! Look at this. This has been fully restored. The whole truck was repainted here last year, I believe, pretty well. He was in the Shell Rotella truck show here last year. I think he got first place, but he's second place. He's actually the second coolest truck driver I know. Who is the coolest truck driver? Well, that's you, of course. But anyhow, so let's talk about this truck here. So this is a 285-inch wheelbase. Factory, that's not stretched aftermarket, that is factory 285. We got the Kenworth Airglide 100 suspension on the back here. Haven't seen this one in a long time. But yeah, that's the AG 100. And 12,000 pound front axle with the Low Pro 22.5. These are regular polished rims, and Jay keeps this truck shined up sharp. The front end is lowered. Not sure of the height, but it looks pretty cool. Up on the bumper here, we have a aftermarket custom bumper. Gotta love that recessed license plate in there. Now, when you order a new W900, you can order 4 extra ribs on the front grille. Oh, this one has a pile of them. How many are on here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Just looks really sharp. Gotta love it. A couple other little things too. He pointed out that, put this little guy right there. Normally that's open, and when you're opening up the hood here, doesn't like putting his hand into that, dirty hole area, so that keeps it nice and clean. And then it's also pretty polished up, so you can see the nice shine of the paint as well. As far as the paint, this is a beautiful metal flake green. I'm not sure of the color, but I'm gonna call it pallet truck green. Okay, there we go. If you want to know the paint color, I could probably find it out for you. All polished up here, toolboxes, battery boxes. Gotta love that exhaust too. Look at how sharp that looks. Got the whale tail up on the roof. That's what I call it anyways. That's what they're called. All right, so one other thing with the paint. It's all done on the door jambs, on the bulkhead style doors. Look at how nice that is, just beautiful. Gave you a tease of the interior. I'll show you guys that later. Fuel tanks, nice and lined up. Just look how sharp that looks. Here's the Thermo King tri-pack unit. And then we got the condenser on the back here. All the custom touches that Jay put in here. This is for your pogo stick. Just you can pull those out and then screw the pogo stick in. This is where your airlines would go, and really nice setup there. But how is this trailer connected? How? It's all back here. Look at how clean that looks. That's a nice way to do it. We have the fiberglass fenders painted with the Kenworth bug in the middle there. That looks just really sharp. Nice touches. Okay, and then we got the stacks here, 13 foot 4 inches tall. Gotta love that. The Vortox air cleaners, dual air cleaners, really sharp. Flat glass, of course. Dual windshields, lights on the cab, lights on the roof with the sleeper as well, and then the 4 air horns. This truck is what you would call old school cool. Let's check out this trailer. Right, so we're going to talk about this trailer here for a minute. This is a 53-foot Great Dane dry van. It's got sliding axles on the back end there, and there are tons of customization that Jay has done to this. You know, you can obviously see the lights there down the side, looks really sharp, and he keeps his equipment nice. Starting down here, we got everything kind of plumbed back here, so it keeps the deck plate area clean, but he does have options to plug in here if the guy wants, as you can see, but not really utilized. This is for a pogo stick, so if you wanted to pull that out and put a pogo stick in, you could do that, and then you could run your airlines up there. But this is a much cleaner installation. Look at, I know we're not talking about the trailer here, but look at right here, there's the AC condenser for the Thermo King tri-pack unit. Just looks really nicely done. Nice install there. Oh, I'm overwhelmed here. Look at these fenders here, fiberglass fenders, the full fenders. This is off of the T680, the hood bug there that we put on the truck. Just looks really nice touch there. So this truck has a remote to operate all these lights. So just gorgeous. Low Pro 22.5s on the back here. These axles are social distancing, as you can tell, well beyond what's required. And just a beautiful polished back. Gotta love it. That's a little bit about a trailer. I've never sold a trailer before, so wouldn't really know kind of the things to feature and talk about, but I think I covered it pretty good. We've got a nice toolbox back here. It's all lit up too. That's all on the remote as well. All right, so here we are under the hood. We have a Caterpillar 550, I believe it's 1850 torque. Not sure, but we'll say it's 1850 torque. This is the 5EK series, not the 6NZ. Don't get confused. So this is the 5EK. Jay had told me that. Gotta love how it's painted. This is a 5-year-old paint job on this engine. Just looks really sharp still. And obviously the nice touches here. Metal flake in the paint here, even on the air-to-air and charge air system. Gotta love that. Let's take a look on the other side. All right, the hot side of the engine. We got the turbo. Single turbo. Just gotta love it. Looks really sharp. Let's close up the hood here and continue on the tour. All right, we're gonna take a look at this original interior from 1996. So, all right. So here we got the National leather seats. These are the Air Cushion Premium Plus. These aren't necessarily original, but it's the original styling that the truck came with from the factory. So you got the additional lumbar supports, the heat and all that kind of stuff there. This is original carpet from 1996. Just look at how clean that looks here. Just beautiful. Jay just took all of the towels that are down on the floor here over top of the floor mats out. So as you can imagine, this thing is just minty, minty. It's got the Diamond VIT. This is the Oxblood interior color. That's what they used to call it. It's now called Bordeaux red, but I like the Oxblood. Looks a lot more old school. Original floor mats from 1996. These you cannot find anywhere, and these are in mint condition. Just gonna step up into the truck here, and then there's the other floor mat, original. Not for sale. Jay said so. A few things I like, some of the touches that Jay put on here. We got the, this is the egg timer for the engine to shut it down. This is but it's a revolver, with the bullets, the fake bullets in there. And then you got the same thing here for some panel lights and whatnot. But obviously in 96 was the flat dash. So you got the flat dash, and then you got the little pop out right here. Aftermarket radio, of course, but nice little Pioneer. Up above here, we got a bunch of lights and switches. Not sure what Jay programmed them to do, but there we have it. All right, and here is the sleeper. This is the 60-inch Aerodyne 1 interior sleeper. We'll take a quick tour back here. Just lovely. Gotta love it here. It's actually a lot bigger in here than I thought. I haven't been in one of these in years. So there we go. Let's continue on in the tour. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I had a blast. Jay and I spent the last 2 hours putting this video together here for you. So a big thank you to Jay Palachuk for letting me take some time to shoot this with you and show off your truck. So If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, why don't you subscribe to the channel here? If you haven't had a chance to do that, make sure you click that button and then hit that bell so you get notified about future videos. If you're in the Winnipeg area and you want your truck featured on my channel, hey, I love doing this kind of stuff. By all means, send me a message. All my contact information is below. Thanks for coming by, and thanks for watching this video. And as always, have yourself the world's best day.